a retail, logistics, warehousing or any kinds of field services, your applications are actually made for a custom device like a rugged device, handheld scanners, POS machines, etc. So your testing should also essentially happen on such devices. And this is where a public farm will fall short, because they are made for off-the-shelf standard smartphones. And here is where AstroFarm can help you. AstroFarm is one of the very few device farm solutions that lets you test on your custom devices and proprietary builds without exposing them to public clouds or external environments. You can connect any of the custom device or even a proprietary hardware onto the console and start using them remotely. This is our device lab setup in Bangalore head office. We have both standard and rugged devices here, and this is our QA team remotely accessing it from Rajkot branch. Again, it's not just about the remote access. You can run Appium and Selenium frameworks or even automate your entire factory reset and re-enrolling back onto the console with a single touch, even remotely, and also view multiple screens at the same time. Your businesses run on custom devices, so your testing should too. Whether it's hardware, rugged hardware, OEM builds, unreleased devices, AstroFarm gives you flexibility to test them securely in your way. It's time to check out AstroFarm.